Hi there, and welcome back. If you want to scale your sales without increasing ad spend, referral and affiliate campaigns are one of the most powerful ways to do it. The idea is simple. You let partners, creators, or even your own customers promote your product using unique links, and you can track exactly how many sales each of them brings. This turns your checkout into a growth channel, not just a payment page. So let's see how you can set this up using Checkify Plus. First, go to the Buy Links section in your admin panel. Here, we're going to create two separate buy links for the same product. The key difference between them will be tracking parameters. For example, different UTM tags or identifiers that allow you to understand where each order is coming from. Create your first buy link, select the product, and save it. Then create a second one for the same product, but with a different name or tracking setup. These links can now be shared with different partners, campaigns, or traffic sources. Now let's see how this looks from the customer side. Open one of the buy links. As you can see, it leads directly to your checkout with the product already pre-selected. This is the same high-converting checkout experience, but now each link acts as a separate tracked entry point. Next, let's move to the data side. Go to the order section in your Checkify admin. After some test purchases or real traffic, you'll start seeing new orders appear here. Each order contains data that allows you to understand where it came from, including the link or campaign associated with it. To analyze this deeper, you can export the data. Click to download the orders as an Excel file. Now open the file. Here you can clearly see how many orders were generated by each link or campaign. This allows you to measure performance per partner or traffic source and understand who is actually driving revenue, and this is exactly how referral and affiliate campaigns work in practice. By using this approach, you can scale partnerships, track results based on real purchases, reward top performers, and turn your checkout into a fully trackable acquisition channel. Feel free to save this video if it helped you understand how to run referral and affiliate campaigns with Checkify, and let us know if you want guides for more growth strategies. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by installing Checkify Pro on your store.